Okay, now we will be having your carpal tunnel syndrome. Pag sinabi natin carpal tunnel syndrome, it is the entrapment neuropathy that occurs when the median nerve atris is compressed. Okay? So, this is your what? Median nerve. Okay? Yan yung median nerve natin. What happened is that nako-compress siya because of your what? Because of your transverse ligament, transverse carpal ligament. Ito yon, okay? So, nako-compress siya, iniipit niya yung median nerve mo. Kaya nagkakaroon ng what? Ng carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay. Now, ano yung mga risk factors natin for your carpal tunnel syndrome? We have your what? Women, okay? Between 30 to 60 years old. Bakit women and bakit 30 to 60 years old? Okay? Because of what? Especially kapag yung mga babae or mga women natin is nagtatake ng what? Estrogen or birth control pills, okay? So, nag-i-increase, mas mataas yung risk na magkaroon sila ng carpal tunnel syndrome, okay? Because of the hormonal changes, nagkakaroon ng decrease saan? Ng elasticity, okay? And aside from that, because of what? Because of the occupation, okay? So, example ng occupation kasi natin is what? Your hairdresser, okay? Your hairdresser, yung paulit-ulit na nagagamit yung kamay ninyo, okay? So, ayun, like your construction worker and your machinist. Okay? So, kapag between women and men, mas prone ang women because of what? Mas maraming factors like your birth control pills. Okay? Especially kung estrogen lang yung ginagamit. Okay? And then at the same time, yung work niya. Okay? Example is your hairdresser. So, ibig bang sabihin nun, mas higher yung risk na magkaroon ng carpal tunnel syndrome ang babae compared to lalaki? The answer is yes. Okay, now, what will be the clinical manifestation for your what? For your carpal tunnel syndrome? Magkakaroon ba yan ng pain? Yes, kasi nga nagkakaroon ng compression dun sa median nerve ninyo. Okay, nagkakaroon din ba ng numbness? Yes, again. Okay, kasi dahil sa compression. Okay, paresthesia? Yes. Okay, weakness? Yes pa din. Okay, and then we have your positive tinel sign, okay? Pag sinabi nating positive tinel sign, ito yung tingling sensation, okay? Pag tinap mo yung nerve, okay? Pag tinap mo yung nerve. So, ibig sabihin, pag tinap mo dito sa part na to, okay? Magkakaroon ng tingling sensation, okay? Saan? Etong part na to, etong apat na to, okay? Yung most common na what? Affected, okay? So, dyan nagkakaroon ng numbness, okay? So, that's your positive tinel sign. Now, magkakaroon tayo ng medical management, okay? Ano yung medical management natin? Traditional open nerve release. Pag sinabi natin traditional open nerve release, ibig sabihin, i-open natin yung sa may bandang wrist mo, okay? I-open to and then ika-cut yung transverse carpal ligament, okay? Ayan, ika-cut yan para mag-loosen, okay? Yung what? Yung median nerve ninyo, okay? So, that's your traditional open nerve release. We also have your endoscopic laser surgery. Pag sinabi nating endoscopic laser surgery, meron yung ipapasok lang nila dito, okay? Magpapasok lang sila ng instrument dyan to cut this one, okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya open, okay? So, itutusok nila dito, papasok sa loob, and then ikakat na lang nila sa loob. That's your endoscopic laser surgery. Now, ano yung mga magiging management natin? Siyempre may pre-operative pa rin yan, di ba? Check, verify the doctor's order, verify the patient, kung siya pa rin yun. Okay? Yung mga nursing responsibilities ninyo during the pre-op stage. Okay? And then, kapag post-op naman, we need to what? Early monitor what? The neurovascular assessment for the first 24 hours. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan nating i-monitor yung neurovascular, okay, ng pasyente, okay, for the first 24 hours. Okay, bakit? Okay, para malaman natin if nagkaroon ng problem yung operation. Okay, kung naging effective ba yung surgical management natin. Okay, and then compare the affected and unaffected extremity. Always compare dan para may baseline kayo. Okay, para alam nyo kung ano yung nangyayari sa kamay ng mga pasyente ninyo. Okay, and then ask the patient to describe the sensation in the digits. Pag sinabi nating digits, ito yung mga fingers nyo. Okay, mga fingers, that's your digits. Okay, so tatanong mo kung ano yung nararamdaman ng mga fingers niya. Okay, and then wound and pin care if open yung ginamit natin dyan. Okay, and then non-constructive dressing. Use of intermittent ice pack for the first 24 to 48 hours. Pag sinabi natin intermittent, okay, nag-ice compress ka ngayon, and then rest, ice compress, rest, ice compress, rest. Okay, for the first 24 hours. Bakit? Okay, to reduce what? Edema. Okay? Ano pa? To reduce inflammation. Okay? And then, at the same time, to reduce pain sensation. Okay? Because your ice pack has what? Your ice pack has anesthetic effect. Okay? Anesthetic effect. Okay? Next, active flexion extension of the fingers unless contraindicated. Okay? So, active flexion and extension. And then, analgesics, okay? Kasi nag-undergo yung patient nyo ng surgery, kailangan ba ng analgesics? Yes, okay? Para ma-reduce ang pain. And then, elevate the hands to the heart level with pillows. Why? To reduce edema formation, okay? Reduce edema formation, okay? And then, assist the patients in ADLs. Pag sinabi natin ADLs, okay? Activity of daily living, okay? So, that is your management sa ating carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay?